Neuman Industries is one of the leading steel product suppliers for the construction industry in Israel. The group includes 5 factories with hundreds of workers and heavy industrial machines. All the factories are operational 24/7 in order to meet the growing high demand of steel products in Israel. The basic industrial machines are mostly hand-operated by the factory workers.
In order to increase the productivity, we have reached the conclusion that we must implement a solution that will enable a more efficient measurement of the operation of each machine in the production floor in real time. The challenge is especially complex since not only those are basic machines, but also our interface capabilities don't provide us with the knowledge of when our machine works or don't work. And we have hundreds of machines in our 5 plants.
Computer Guard Technologies and Afcon Automation partnered to deliver a unique solution in which HID BluVision sensors layer identify in real time the operation of each machine, and the info is uploaded and presented 24/7 over the Pulse command and control platform.
As a result, we were able to enhance our control and command and improve the operational process in our factories. This led to an increase of the production output of each monitored machine.
BluVision and Pulse integration brings innovation to traditional industries.